Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about Obsessive-Compulsive Disorder. Obsessive-Compulsive Disorder (OCD) is a mental health condition that involves intrusive, repetitive thoughts, obsessions, and compulsions, rituals or behaviors performed to reduce anxiety. These compulsions can disrupt daily life and cause significant distress. Symptoms of OCD: obsessions, persistent, intrusive thoughts that cause anxiety. Fear of contamination or germs. Doubts about safety, example, locking doors, turning off appliances. Intense need for symmetry or order. Unwanted, aggressive or violent thoughts. Distressing religious or moral concerns. Compulsions, repetitive behaviors aimed at reducing anxiety. Excessive hand washing or cleaning. Repeated checking of locks, appliances, or belongings. Counting or repeating words silently. Arranging objects in a precise order. Avoiding situations that trigger obsessive thought. Extreme discomfort when unable to perform compulsions. Spending excessive time on rituals, interfering with daily tasks. Difficulty focusing due to intrusive thoughts. Social withdrawal or avoidance of triggering situations. Myths and facts about obsessive-compulsive disorder. Myth: OCD is just being neat. Fact: it involves intrusive thoughts and compulsive behaviors. Myth: OCD is just about cleanliness and order. Fact: OCD is characterized by distressing obsessive thoughts and compulsions beyond tidiness. Myth: people with OCD are simply perfectionists. Fact: OCD stems from anxiety and compulsions rather than a desire for perfection. Myth: OCD is rare. Fact: approximately 1 in 40 adults and 1 in 100 children are affected. Myth: OCD is just a personality trait. Fact: it is a diagnosed mental health disorder requiring treatment. Myth: OCD cannot be treated. Fact: therapy and medication can effectively help manage symptoms. How to cope with OCD? Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) helps individuals challenge obsessive thoughts and limit compulsions. Exposure and response prevention (ERP) gradually exposes individuals to triggers while preventing compulsive actions. Medication: SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, help regulate symptoms. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Meditation, breathing exercises, and stress management reduce anxiety. Support groups and therapy. Connecting with others can provide emotional support and coping strategies. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.